welcome to an origami. We're gonna make 4 types of paper aeroplanes. First is like some sort of army tank aeroplane, which is not 3D. Everything's not 3D. And next is a normal one. The third last one is a diamond wing. That means the wing is in a diamond shape. And lastly is something like a dog, which can still throw it, then they'll fly. So let's get started. First, let's get 4 pieces of paper. And then next, we will make it into this, it's 1 piece of paper, 1. After you're done, put it like this. Fold these into half. And even the other side until it becomes like this, okay? Like this. I'll show you once I'm done with the flaps. Like this. It's from here, we move it down to here, okay? And now this tip here, go all the way to the bottom like an envelope, like this. Fold it into half, so you can't see these two anymore. Like this, until it becomes some sort of envelope. And then these two we fold it up to this middle point, like this, into half from here to here, half. Like this, half. Now on the other side too. And remember, it's all 4 pieces of paper. If you only do one, it's okay. You must do all of them. And then fold this like this. Not this way, okay? When you're holding it with these 2 flaps open, fold it backwards. If it happens to be like this, put your finger here, pull it, then it becomes straight. And make sure it's aligned with everything. It doesn't matter how it looks, this is gonna be different planes, right? Like this. Half. After you're done with it, this is the hard part. We have to take out everything. Take out all the pieces of paper. All, seriously, all. Okay, now with all something like this on all 4 pieces. Now we repeat everything that I did on 1 paper only. Okay, I started first than you. Like this. Fold the flaps. It must be way easier because you already folded it down. You fold it as fast as you want. And remember, if I'm too fast for you, pause the video. Then to half. We're gonna make normal plane first. Normal. Wait, I mean army tank, sorry. We fold this down. We're making the army tank. After this, we're gonna fold something like a dog. This here, we fold this part. From here, we fold till down. And for the other side, keep it down. And then we fold it up You see this down here? We fold it like this. The fold is right at the heart. Like this. It's right at the heart. Now we do the same thing on the other side. Like this. And now, then when you lift it up, don't push it down. Don't. You're not supposed to do that. It's just the army tank plane. And then this part and the back. We're gonna make it like this. Like a triangle here and a triangle here without using the scissors. So it's much easier for you. And now we push. We push. Like this. We push, push until it's like that. Then we close it back. And now it's like we cut the triangle. Now, also from this side, but you must do it bigger. Like this. Like this. A bigger. Until it becomes this shape. Bigger. Like you push in bigger. Push in more. And then now we're done with the army tank plane. It looks like an army tank at the bottom there, wings of the plane. Now, number 1, complete. We're gonna make the normal one. Now, do everything again. And now, fold down the wings too. Like how you did for the army tank planes. You fold it down like this. And for both sides, remember, both sides. And now we fold this up here again like the army tank plane. Now your session 1, session 2, the normal plane complete. Now for the dog plane, it's just 2 more steps after the normal plane. Down. It's pretty easy to fold, right? How do I think it is? For Origami channel, just have to follow. You must do it. It must be a can. My videos are always very easy. And please subscribe down below if you love how the army tank, the dog plane, the normal plane, and the diamond wing plane. If you like all of those folds, please subscribe down below to the comments and tell me whether it's good or bad. Now for the normal one. Actually very easy. All of them are start with the same. Both down, everything there. Now for the army tank plane, you fold it up to you see this, to the loop. Okay. This from here, right? We fold up. Like this. Up. Yeah. Then like this, we pull it up. You pull it up. Then it looks like some kind of dog. Looks some kind of dog plane, right? Wait a second, I forgot to stamp. Sorry guys, this at the back. Okay, leave this like that, flat. Here, this pointy tip here, you can see that, right? You put it down here to this line over here. You can see this line. You push it all the way to the line. I'll show you after I'm done with both sides, okay? And if you know, just do it by yourself. I'm not forcing you not to do it. Okay, so now since I'm done, it's from here down. Here, down. Keep it here. Let's close it back up. It looks more like a dog. Sorry, hang on a sec. Here. The dog plane is finished. Season 3 complete. Later, we're gonna color it with different one color only. I'm gonna use like a highlighter blue, a pen blue, to draw the eyes. Later, for the coloring, I will show you how to. Now for the last one. Down, fold these two down, and also even down here, like this. Now, up, this way. Then now we put it like, the normal plane, like down, okay? Okay, since they're done, lift both up. Oops, sorry, this is thin. Here, if make it like this, like from here, upside down. This place, you fold it all the way to here. Like at the end, I'll show you after I'm done. Like this. From here all the way to this line here. For the other side, this and here. And then now when you do this, it looks like a diamond. That's why it's called diamond wing plane. And now for also the normal one, we put it back. Like this. It's nice now, right? Session 4 complete. Okay, now grab a pen, any color pen, Mama. Let's start with the army tank plane. The front one is always the straight part. The straight. And the back part is like, this triangle, like that. Now, let's put it in front. And you see this part, right? Take out your pen cover. And draw your eyes. Okay, I'll draw first and I'll let you see after that. That's always how I say, okay? Do it for everyone. I'm doing like different types of eyes. Ooh, this is tiring. Okay. We're starting color for our big reminder. Sometimes I scare people out of their wits. All 4 planes. We don't have to use the pen anymore. Get that highlighter, asking you guys. I don't have to go somewhere to get it because I usually actually find it in my box here. I'll show you. There's my box where I find the things. I have to set the camera again. Okay, now good. Is it good? Answer me down in the comment below. Take a plane. Take it there. Okay. We know that's difficult, but we have to. Okay, do it underneath here. Like, from here, open it, and you'll see this, right? Then you color this, only a wing. Color from here, not to here. This whole part, the lines don't color. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time in my next vlog. Bye!